Mastering polite English. The phrase, "How do you do?" Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a classic, yet often misunderstood English greeting. How do you do? This phrase is not just about asking someone's well-being, but it carries a tradition of politeness and formal greeting in the English language. How do you do is a formal greeting used when meeting someone for the first time. It's important to note that it's not a question, but rather a polite way of acknowledging someone's presence. This phrase is equivalent to saying, "Nice to meet you." When someone says, "How do you do?" the correct response is to repeat the phrase back, "How do you do?" It's a formal exchange of greetings, rather than an actual inquiry into someone's health or well-being. While, "How do you do?" is less common in everyday, casual conversation, it's still used in formal settings, such as business meetings, official functions, or when being introduced to someone of high social or professional status. Understanding this phrase is key to navigating formal English-speaking environments. This greeting has its roots in British English and symbolizes a certain level of decorum and respect. In British culture, it's often associated with upper-class society. However, it's recognized and used in various English-speaking countries, albeit less frequently in casual American English. Remember, "How do you do?" is more about formality and respect than about asking a question. It's a wonderful example of English's rich tradition of polite expressions. We hope this video has shed light on this classic greeting and its proper usage. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.